Alright, y'all. Welcome to the last lesson of Go Math. This is 13.5, which is your last problem solving lesson. Woo woo, find the area. So, a landscaper is laying grass for a rectangular playground. The grass will cover the whole playground except for a square sandbox, as you can see there. The diagram shows the playground and sandbox. How many square yards of grass will the landscaper use? Of course, now see, this is where landscapers use this because they don't need to buy grass for that sandbox. So if they just did the area of an entire playground, they're going to waste money. But we are going to find that. So we do need to do 25 times 15. So 25 times 15. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then we're going to get rid of that 2, add a 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. We add that up and we get 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the entire area is 375 yards, but we don't need to worry about the sandbox. So one thing about the sandbox, what do you notice? Yes, you notice it's a perfect square. Okay, so 6, you do 6 times 6, which is, good, this is 36. So I can minus out 36. I can't do 5 minus 6, so I'm going to borrow from the 7, make it a 6, make that a 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. So the entire area is 339. Okay, next one. Zach is laying a rectangular brick patio for a new museum. Brick will cover the whole patio except for the rectangular fountain, which you can see over there. So we need to do the same thing. So I'm going to do, remember this rule, 18 times 20. I'm going to slide that 0 over and then just bring it down. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 360 is the entire area. But I don't need to use that fountain, so 5 times 2 is the fountain, which is 10. I minus that from there, and you get 350 as your answer. Last one. So you can see she's going to put wallpaper on all this. She's not going to wallpaper the door. So we're going to do 12 times 8, which is, good, it's 96. And then the door is 3 times 7, because you've got your base times your height. So 3 times 7 equals, yep, 21. So let's add them. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 107. No, sorry. Why did I add them? We're going to subtract them. Sorry, I was getting ahead of myself. Ignore that last part. We're going to subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. There we go. So good if you're going, Mr. Rouse, Mr. Rouse. There you go. You can see I had a brain fart for a moment. So this lesson, you're really finding the area of two shapes, and then you're subtracting the 1 out. So 13.5. Say bye-bye, Go Math. And it's been fun.